Alright guys, so I was going to record what I did today at work, but I just got locked out and I don't really want to unlock it. I'm sure I could unlock it. I have the code, I think, to get the key to unlock it, but I don't want to be held responsible if something goes wrong or I set off an alarm or something. So anyways, the only thing I really did today was low voltage, which was pretty funny because we were just talking about that in the live stream last night. I think it was either Mike or it was now I forgot his name, dang it. Anyways, Big Ballers. So it was either Big Ballers, Mike, or Callie. So anyways, what I was doing today was basically putting up little horn strobes or strobe detectors, or not strobe detectors, but strobes and horn strobes. So basically, like when you go like to elementary school or something, it's basically the flashing lights on the wall saying that there's a fire, and there's another one that blinks and makes noise, and some of them just blink lights. So that's what I was doing most of the day. And then I did go down to the electrical room and put up some I don't even know what it's called, forgot the name of it, but I don't even know what it does either, which is sad. Anyways, I installed this box coming out of the fire alarm panel, and then plugged a couple wires in, and then ran another wire back to the panel, and then I just landed those into the low voltage panel, and that was basically my day. I don't think I did anything else. Yeah, so I was gonna show you the stuff I did last time I was here because I'm at the different job site, but I'm just waiting for a text message to go to my friend's house. So anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed me talking about what I did. I can try to throw some pictures in, I probably won't, just because I'm probably going to upload this in the car. So anyways, try to use your imagination of what I did today, what that looks like. So just some little things on the walls, and making up some wires in the panel and stuff like that. But try to get you guys the footage if I come back here, but I'm going back to the other job site tomorrow, the usual one. So anyways, hopefully you enjoyed just me talking. Sorry I didn't get any footage, that's lame, but I don't want to do anything wrong or anything. So anyways, make sure to click the notification bell if you want to be notified when I live stream. It's super fun. You get to hang out and just talk or whatever, hang out with me, and appreciate those that stop by. It's super fun. And also, if you enjoyed the video, drop a like and subscribe if you're new and want to see more content. Usually I show you what I'm doing, but today is a little bit different. I usually get locked out of this job site, so I don't really like this job site, but it was a really good day. It was super chill, and now, yeah, it was like a 9-hour day as well, so it went by super quick. And yeah, so that's all I got for you guys today. Sorry about that. And I think tomorrow we'll be hitting 250,000 views, so I'll be doing another giveaway number 3 for the 250,000 views. So make sure to look forward to that video. I will be doing another tool giveaway. So as usual, I'll give you like 7 or 8 options, so you can choose what you want. So it's not just like, oh, you're gonna win this prize and you don't want that. I'm gonna give you a choice of what you want, or like a $25 gift card or something, however that works. But it's just easier to do the tools and stuff like that. But anyways guys, hope you have a great day. I will see you tomorrow. God bless. Peace out. Have an awesome rest of your day.